Hi, and welcome back again to another session of my course C++ development. Under this session, we'll be discussing about multidimensional arrays. So we already discussed about single arrays, single dimensional arrays. We already discussed about two-dimensional arrays and how to iterate through them. And now we'll be discussing about dimensional arrays. For that purpose, to save on typing a little bit, I prepared this array, which is of a type integer, and mathematically it corresponds to 4 by 3 by 2, 4 by 3 by 2 array or matrix. Okay, and what I would like to do at this point is I would like to, for example, loop through all of these items. But first of all, let's examine what exactly is 4, what exactly is 3, and what is number 2 as well at the same time. Okay, so 4 represents rows. Okay, so we have 1 row, 2, 3, 4 rows. Okay, and then 3 represents the single arrays contained in the first array, which is 4. Okay, so basically we have 4 arrays right here, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so just kind of try to imagine it like this. And the number 2 represents the number of the elements which is consisted under this array. Okay, so we have 2 elements here, 2 elements here, 2 elements here. The whole is part of this array, and the entire actually number scheme belongs to 4 by 3 by 2 actually numbers array. Okay, so I hope you got the point right here, but if you do like a couple samples or examples on your site, or watch the video a little bit more thorough, I would say, you would be able to understand it. So let's see how we would actually loop through this through this array. So we already said that let's treat this as a 3 separate arrays. That means that we have to loop 3 times, once through the first one, through the second one, and then again through the third one in order to get the elements. So simple as that. It's very simple, isn't it? So what I would do is integer e, or actually integer I, equals to 0, where a is smaller than 4, right? Because 4 is the size. Right here we have to define the size actually of that array. All right, and my apology. So the first loop is done. Let's do the second one. We'll say integer b equals to 0, and this time b smaller than the second array, right? We're printing out the second array at this point, and that's 3. And then we say b++, and then inside this one, oops, we say the following, that integer c equals to 0, c smaller than 2, oops, and then c++. Okay, count. And what I would like, okay, first of all, what we can do at this point is print out everything. So how does that look like? Take a look, it's very easy. So we have one array to print, second array to print, third array to print, right? And then the first loop, the second loop, and then the third loop, am I right? And then let's just print it just like that to see how this really works, okay? All right, so what do we have right here? We have 351279. Okay, so this is the first array, right? 3512, right? 79, and then we have the second one, which is right here, 345698, 345698, which is this one. The third one is this one, right? 3212901, right here, and then the fourth one is this one, 114457. Simple as that, right? But then to avoid confusion, What I would like to do right here at this point is the following. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So to better understand which one belongs to where and to what position, what we're going to do at this point is I'm going to type in A, okay? And then I will just do it like this, right? A and then A, and then another one, and then I will say B. But then you know what? Let's make some space between these guys. Okay, and then I will say this, right? C. Then I will say C. Okay, and then I will just print a little space right here and do this. Then at the end, I would like to print out everything on a single row. And let's see what happens right here. Okay, so we have the following. So this is what gets printed out from the A loop, from the B loop, from the C loop. Okay, but I think I forgot C, C, A, B, B. I don't have B right here, that's why. So B, B, C, C. All right, let's see again because I was missing an array. Okay, now it makes sense. And then at this point, I will just type in equal. Now let's now examine what's happening right here. Okay, so we have the following. At position 0, 0, 0, we have number 3. At position 0, 0, 1, we have number 5. All right. At position 0, 1, 0, we have 0, 1, 0. Keep this in mind. At position 0, 3, and 5, 1, which is 1, is located 1. At position 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, we have number 2. There we go. This is this one right here. At position 0, 2, 0, 0, 2, 0, we have number 7. Okay, which is this one right here, and so on and so on. So that's about multidimensional arrays. Keep in mind that multidimensional arrays, data structures are very, very important, especially if you plan to really do this professionally, because there will be some algorithmic development that you will probably experience during your work lifetime, if I may say like that. There are some also algorithms that you will need to face and to learn, but without actually this algorithmic thinking or data structure thinking, actually you won't be able to proceed. So this is really very important that you understand of what's happening right here. Okay, so that's very, very, very important.